how to fix Discord black screen. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our desktop, and then on the search bar, just search for Task Manager. After that, just click the open button right here, and then in this part, what we're going to do on the search bar is to search for Discord. So what we're going to do right here is to close any Discord application that is currently running. So as you can see, I have a Discord running on my PC. So what we're going to do is to right click on that and then click End Task. So all you have to do is to do it once again if you see any Discord that is running on your background. And then once you do that, once you have closed all of the Discord that is running on your background, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for run. After that, just click on enter, and then we're going to type %app data %. After that, just click on enter, and then you will be redirected right here. So what we're going to do is to just look for the Discord file, which is right here. So what we're going to do is to right click on that, and then we're going to delete the file. Once you delete it, we're going to click on app data right here, and then go to local, and then just look for Discord once again. So you will see it right here, right click on that, and then click delete button. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for CMD, and then we're going to click run as administrator. In this part, once you are now here, we're gonna type ibconfig space /flush DNS and then click enter. Once it is done, what we're going to do is to type exit and then click on enter once again. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to open our browser right there, and then on the search bar, just search for Discord download. After that, click on enter. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just go here on discord.com and then download the Discord application once again. So just click download for Windows and then wait for it to finish. Once you do that, all you have to do is reinstall your Discord, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix Discord black screen.